Welcome back my YouTube channel. Auto Tata TV. The Bajaj Qute is a revolutionary quadricycle that bridges the gap between two-wheelers and conventional four-wheelers. Designed primarily for urban commuting, it offers an affordable, fuel-efficient, and compact alternative to traditional cars and auto-rickshaws. Manufactured by Bajaj Auto, the Qute has gained attention for its practicality, cost-effectiveness, and eco-friendly nature. At first glance, the Bajaj Qute looks like a small, boxy hatchback, but it is classified as a quadricycle, meaning it falls between a three-wheeler and a full-fledged car in terms of size, speed, and power. It features a lightweight design with a robust monocoque body structure, ensuring durability and stability. The compact size makes it ideal for navigating congested city streets, tight parking spots, and narrow lanes. With a length of just 2.75 meters and a width of 1.3 meters, it takes up significantly less space than a regular car. Under the hood, the Bajaj Qute is powered by a 216cc single-cylinder, four-stroke engine, available in both petrol and CNG variants. The engine produces a modest 13.2 horsepower in the petrol version and slightly less in the CNG version, making it efficient for city driving. One of its biggest advantages is fuel efficiency, offering an impressive mileage of around 35 km/h for the petrol variant and even better figures for the CNG version. The vehicle has a top speed of 70 km/h, which is sufficient for urban mobility but not ideal for highways or long-distance travel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. The Bajaj Qute has been designed with simplicity and practicality in mind. It features basic but functional interiors with seating for 4 occupants, including the driver. The seating layout is comfortable for short trips, and the dashboard is minimalistic, housing essential controls and a small digital instrument cluster. It comes with a manual transmission with a sequential gearbox, which is easy to operate, even for those accustomed to two-wheelers or auto-rickshaws. Safety is a crucial factor for any vehicle, and while the Qute does not match the safety standards of full-sized cars, it does include features such as a strong metal body, seatbelts for all passengers, and a reinforced frame for added protection. Additionally, since its top speed is limited, the risk of high-speed accidents is significantly reduced. One of the major selling points of the Bajaj Qute is its affordability. It is significantly cheaper than entry-level hatchbacks, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers, ride-sharing businesses, and last-mile connectivity services. The low maintenance costs and high fuel efficiency further add to its appeal. Despite its advantages, the Bajaj Qute has faced some regulatory challenges, especially in markets where quadricycles are not fully recognized as passenger vehicles. However, as cities continue to battle congestion and pollution, compact and eco-friendly vehicles like the Qute are expected to play a significant role in urban transportation. With its practicality, low running costs, and ease of use, the Bajaj Qute is an innovative solution for modern city commuting, offering a viable alternative to traditional urban transport options.